it's shaping up to be one of the hottest summers on record. So I've been asked this question a few times. Will you get money back if you add a pool to your home? The short answer is it depends. Adding a swimming pool increases the value of your home? Generally, yes. But does that mean you'll get your money back? That's hard to say, and that depends on a couple of factors. If you plan on moving in 3 to 5 years, spending a lot of money to build a swimming pool is a risky investment. When you go to sell it, the appraiser is going to give you property a certain value on the market, so you may or may not get your money back. However, if you live in a place that experiences long summers and extreme heat, then having a swimming pool can absolutely increase the value of your home. If you estimate that you'll be in your home at least 9-10 years, then it's likely worth to build a pool. Otherwise, it's a calculated risk, dependent largely upon the local market. My advice? Talk to a local lender or an agent near you and see what they have to say, since they'll know your marketplace best. And if you really just want to build a pool, take this as your sign to go for it. Send this to someone you know who's thinking about building a pool and make sure they stay cool out there. I'm Aisha Michelle. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.